Everyone on YouTube says that this channel is earning up to $27,000 per month by uploading teeth cleaning shorts. But what if I told you that this is not true? What if this channel is not even monetized? You will see hundreds of videos on YouTube telling you how to make these types of videos and earn dollars, but no one will tell you the truth that I am going to share with you in this video. If you wanted to know everything about this niche, or whether this is going to be monetized or not, then keep watching till the end, because in this video, I am going to share with you how you can monetize these type of AI videos and earn $2,000 to $3,000 per month on YouTube. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my WhatsApp channel for latest updates. Link is in the description below. Okay, so first let me show you this. I have checked this channel on multiple websites to see if this is monetized or not, and on all of them you can see it's not monetized. But don't worry, in this video I am going to teach you how you can monetize these types of videos. So during my research, I found another channel in this niche uploading similar kinds of shorts and earning between $3,000 to $50,000 because he also upload long videos. So let's break it down and see what he does to his shorts, that YouTube did not demonetize his channel. So I watched his shorts and found out that he explains every video with his own voice and with his own face video, so this is the only thing he is doing. And trust me, this is very easy to make. All you have to do is to record a video from your selfie camera and explain the process of that teeth cleaning video. Just to explain you, I asked ChatGPT to give me prompt for this type of video. So with that, I have generated this with VO3. This is just for explaining purpose, because the best way is to record your own video. Okay, so let's make a complete video step by step, and in the end I will tell you how to edit this video. You just need 4 master prompts. You'll find all of them in the description below. Let's start. First, paste the channel analysis prompt into ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of the channel name with subscribers and attach it. Then take a screenshot of the videos with their views, titles, and thumbnails and attach that too. Hit enter. ChatGPT will analyze the channel and tell you these videos can be recreated using AI, along with a step-by-step process. But you don't need to go through all of it. Now copy the topic prompt from the prompt PDF. Paste it into ChatGPT. Choose how many ideas you want. I'm going with 10 and hit enter. ChatGPT gives you 10 topic ideas. Pick the one you like. Now copy the image prompt from the PDF. Paste it into ChatGPT. Add your chosen topic and the number of images you want. I'm going with 6 and hit enter. Copy the first image prompt. Head over to Google Gemini. Choose Create Image. Paste the prompt and add this after it. 9 to 16 for vertical format. Hit enter and your image generates. Download it. Now here's the important part for visual continuity. Open Google Flow website. Click New Project and upload your generated image. Put this image as reference. And before every next prompt, write this line first. Use the above image as the reference image. Then paste the next image prompt. This keeps the same camera angle structure across all images. Repeat this for all 6. Now, copy the video prompt from the PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will give you transition video prompts between the images. Copy video prompt 1. Head to Google Flow. Set image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Paste the video prompt. Select the right options and hit generate. Flow will create an ultra-realistic video in seconds. Repeat this for every image pair. Now open any editor. Import all the videos, arrange them in sequence, then remove this video background with just one click and adjust this at the bottom of the video. Scale up slightly to hide the VO watermark. So as you can see, our face video is very short because I am just showing how you can do this. But you guys have to record a complete video that will cover the full process. Okay, so here's the final video.
A deep black cavity means the decay has reached the inner layer. We carefully remove the infected material and then restore the tooth. Let's walk through the process. First, we ensure the area is completely numb. Next, we meticulously clean the cavity.
Hope you enjoyed watching this complete process. If you like this video, then share it with your friends. See you in the next one.